John had been procrastinating for weeks, but he finally decided it was time to get down to work. His project deadline was approaching fast, and he knew he couldn't delay any longer. "All right," he told himself, "let's get down to business." The first thing he had to do was organize his notes. He spread them out on the table and took a deep breath. "Okay, time to get down to sorting everything out," he muttered. He had a lot of information, but without structure it was useless. So, he decided to get down to categorizing each section properly. After an hour, he felt proud of his progress. Now he could finally get down to writing. But before that, he needed some coffee. Once his coffee was ready, he sat back at his desk and got down to typing. The first few sentences were tough, but soon he found his rhythm. Just as he was about to get down to serious writing, his phone rang. It was his friend Mark. "Hey John, want to grab dinner?" "I wish I could, but I really need to get down to finishing this project," John said. "All right, man. I get it. Good luck," Mark replied. John put his phone aside and got down to focusing again. Hours passed and he barely noticed. He was in the zone. He got down to revising each section carefully, making sure everything was clear and concise. At one point his mind wandered, but he reminded himself to get down to business. He couldn't afford distractions. He had to get down to checking every detail meticulously. His roommate Sarah walked in and saw him working. "Wow, you really got down to it, huh?" she said, impressed. "Yeah, no more wasting time," John replied. "I had to get down to it sooner or later." She nodded. "Well, if you need help, let me know." Sometimes, you just need someone to help you get down to the nitty-gritty. "Thanks, Sarah. I appreciate it. But right now, I just need to get down to finishing this last section." He checked the clock. It was almost midnight, but he still had energy. He got down to proofreading his entire document. No errors could be left behind. After 3 rounds of edits, he was finally satisfied. He got down to formatting the document, making sure everything looked professional. With a relieved sigh, he saved his work. "Wow, I really got down to business today," he thought. The next morning, he had one final step left. He needed to get down to printing his project. Once the copies were ready, he got down to preparing for his presentation. He practiced in front of the mirror, ensuring he sounded confident. At work, his boss called him in. "John, did you get down to preparing the report?" "Yes, sir. It's all ready." His boss nodded. "Great job. You really got down to it this time." John smiled. He had finally learned that sometimes the hardest part is just making yourself get down to work. But once you do, success follows. Want to learn English but don't know where to start? Join our English learning community. We explain difficult topics in simple terms. Practice speaking English without fear of mistakes. Support, motivation, and communication with like-minded people. Start speaking English today. Subscribe and learn with us.